Hi everybody, Tucker here from Rhino Networks. Thanks for joining me on the first video of our open box series. Today I've got the newest switch in Meraki's lineup, the MS130-12X. Let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, let's take a look in this box. Always nicely packaged as per the Meraki style. Sorry for the camera bounce there. So yeah, this is a very neat switch, mainly because the 12X model is a multi-gig capable switch. So you'll see here we've got 4 2.5 gig ports, and then 8 1 gig ports. These are 2 10 gig SFP plus uplinks that you have here. We've got mounting wings to do some wall mounting action. Pretty slick little switch. Over here you've got your power supply. Always important to remember with a lot of these Meraki devices, the other half of the power supply, the power cord, is actually in a separate container from the box. It should all be shipped together. Just make sure you don't lose this. You will need this half to complete that. Keep that handy. For further specifications, my favorite place to go obviously is rhinonetworks.com. Very easy to navigate. Our product page here opens up a mega menu. Got the whole Meraki product line. Go up to switching, MS130, MS130-12X. Let's check that bad boy out with a 3-year license. Not bad. And I'll blow this up big on the screen for you guys so you can see a little bit better. We also always have our data sheets on the website here. Very slick. Thanks so much for joining us. Really appreciate you stopping by, and tune in next week for our next open box.